what is going on? Welcome back to our channel. This is Alfred, and we are going right back into our Nardo Silverado Project. This is part 2 of our grill and bumper, basically the front end of this truck. And I have sped up this time lapse. It was a nice long afternoon getting this done. And what I like doing, and I'd love to hear your feedback on comments down below, guys. Please let me know if you're liking this kind of format. I know a lot of the rap guys and girls out there essentially do highlights of their rap jobs. And I like showing you start to finish how my work is done. So I do these long time lapse in a fairly quick manner. So my videos are very rarely over 20 minutes. So this is a good, video to watch during your break, bathroom break, if you're on the couch and you're bored. So yeah, they're not very long ever. I do break them down for Instagram. I break them down for Facebook and TikTok. But the long format, this one specifically is less than 17 minutes. The long format is on our YouTube channel. And we'd love to have you there, guys. If you are not following us on our YouTube channel, please go there, check it out. Follow us, like, subscribe, and don't be afraid to comment down below, guys. I'm an open book. Any questions you might have, by all means, post them and I will get back to you right away. So today, as I had mentioned, we are attacking the remainder of the front grille. Alright, and yes, I am going to slow these videos down as I finish the separate parts that you see here. Each one of these, what I call fins inside of the grill, I am going to slow the video down so that you could see the finished section. And then something that we did discover in this process, if you have seen the videos from previous on this truck, this is an older truck. This truck just passed 100,000 miles. It is 10 years old. And we discovered that one of the previous owners, for whatever reason, they painted over the Chevrolet badge right dead center on that middle bar going across the grill. So I am gonna go back and I'm gonna be sanding down the badge, the Chevrolet badge, which is what they call their bow tie. I'm gonna sand it down, and we are gonna be doing a multi-tone on the badge itself, as well as that the Z, that red Z that you see on the lower right hand side, Z71. I'm gonna match the red color on the badging in there. So yes, I'm leaving the badge untouched. I'm gonna have to treat the surface of it, and then I am going back and again multi-tone wrapping the badge alone. So stay tuned for the finished product. And for now, I'm just gonna be quiet, guys, and let you enjoy the rest of the music. Some nice chill vibes. Hang loose, guys. right, guys, so just checking in real quick. I did get a question from one of my buddies. How is it that I'm creating these videos? Guys, I'm a big fan of my Insta360 camera. I absolutely love it. I shoot these videos, and I also use that on my ride-outs when I'm out on the motorcycle. I'm sure you caught that. But there's a lot of work that goes into producing these videos, guys. A lot of work. So this was an afternoon, nice long afternoon doing this. And on this video alone, it took 48 different clips. As you are watching this time-lapse video, this is again 48 clips attached together in the video. And since I am using that 360 camera, it is a multi-part editing process. If that's something that you are not familiar with, the 360 videos requires you to go in and do what is called a reframing. So essentially you take the shot and you frame it as if you're the cameraman, and you're telling the software which angle it is that you want it to be focused on. So that's called reframing. And I gotta do that for, in this case, all 48 clips. Once that's done, I extract those clips and then I put it into my editing program. This is where I stitch all of these together. I speed them up, I slow them down, I add music. This voiceover that you're hearing is being done on the video editing software. Once that's done, then you got to render the video and cut it down based on whatever social media it is that you're doing. So the long format like this one is getting posted on YouTube, but then I have slightly less than 3-minute teasers that I post on Instagram, on Facebook, and on TikTok. And each one of those has their own little rules. So yeah, man, there's a lot of work that goes into these things. Again, a lot of love, what I call love. It's a lot of passion into what I do. So I hope that you guys like these. Again, I'm always welcome to your comments. Let me know how you like them. Let me know, suggestions. I am open to suggestions, guys. I appreciate you if you're hanging out with me. Thank you guys so very much. Okay, so we're coming up to the end of the video, guys. If you are still hanging out with me, you are the real hero. Thank you so very much. I hope you're enjoying these videos. Again, I am going to be going forward with part 3 of the grill and bumper. The next video, you are going to see that front bumper right down there. A lot of people fear the bumpers, but it's just like any other panel, guys. So that is going to be my next video. Guys, stay tuned for the finished product on the front end of this Nardo Silverado Project. Again, guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Guys, sharing is caring. Spread the word. Anybody you know that is in the customizing scene, whether it's, you know, motorcycles, cars, trucks, sport cars, sport bikes, all of it, you name it. If you're a business owner and you are wanting to promote your business, hit me up, guys. I do partner up with designers and print shops, and we can make your business grow. All right, we can help you grow your business. We can definitely partner up with you, guys. If you have questions, reach out, and thank you.